Hey everyone, welcome to Empowering a Community, a quick guide to group economics. Today I'm diving into how group economics can transform black communities. Let's get started. So, what is group economics? It's the idea of creating, supporting and growing black-owned businesses to keep our dollars circulating within the black community. Imagine this. Every dollar we spend at a black-owned business stays in the community longer, building wealth for everyone around us. Now let's talk about essential businesses for a thriving community. We need grocery stores, healthcare services, financial institutions, educational services, housing, transportation, retail stores, food services, and more. Each of these businesses plays a crucial role in making our community self-sustaining. All right, let's get into how you can start making a difference today. Step 1. Identify and support existing black-owned businesses. Use directories like the official Black Wall Street app, social media and community word of mouth to find them. Make a commitment to shop there regularly and spread the word. Step 2. Start or support new black-owned businesses. Identify unmet needs in your community. Develop a simple business plan and seek funding from black-owned financial institutions. Support others by investing in or partnering with new businesses. Step 3. Build and leverage a community network. Attend networking events, join online groups and collaborate with other black-owned businesses to create a local supply chain. Regular communication is key to sharing resources and opportunities. When it comes to professional services like legal, financial and marketing, prioritize black-owned providers. This ensures that money stays within our community and supports black professionals. In today's digital age, invest in technology and digital platforms. Set up an online presence, enhance your social media profiles, and use black-owned platforms for advertising and e-commerce. This helps us reach more customers while keeping economic activities within our community. Tracking our progress is important. Use simple tools or apps to monitor spending within the community and celebrate milestones. Publicly acknowledging and rewarding those contributing to economic growth creates a sense of community pride. Let's take a moment to look back at Tulsa, Oklahoma's Black Wall Street. This thriving black business district in the early 20th century shows the power of unity and economic collaboration. If they could do it then, we can do it now. Now is the time to take action. Start by supporting black-owned businesses, building new ones, and collaborating with others in your community. Together, we can create a self-sustaining economy that benefits us all. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Support, build, collaborate. Thanks for watching, and let's empower our community together.